Be.
Yeah, I just go straight for video because you pose too much, little boy.
He does too. He's. Eric, you have to see this. Show Daddy. He's going far. He's got his glasses. He's got his ride.
Beep beep.
Beep beep.
Hit my ride.
What's wrong?
You dropped it.
No, we don't. I have to admit, it's my fault for the standing on the whisk part of the broom because I'm not taking away your broom. Good job sweeping.
That's my hat. What?
Screw this stuff you've been saying while Kyla's been in the room.
Have you mentioned anything?
I tried twice.
What are they saying? Because I'll go in there and tell them shut up.
Oh, they're just swearing like crazy, that's all.
Let me go